facilitating the experience of bliss in Essence Meditation on Tuesdays and Thursdays here, and it's really been my gateway. I find that silence is a supper of renewing love, and penetrating the layers of ourselves expands and explodes as we jump and plunge into that silence. So I wanted to begin by sharing with you, I lived in a monastery for 10.5 years, and here is some of the experience of that divine lover within. Lip to lip, we suck the moment, tender and raw and free. A word plunges me into you. A phrase opens the dark door of discovery, and your light shows up softly, striding forward to take me. My shoes and my dress fall off as my lips reach yours. Without touching you, I touch you, quivering. Without hearing your voice, I vibrate in that sound. Without and within I go, trembling and undulating in the rhythm of your love. The silence does that. It gives us the sacred container to penetrate the layers of self that we embody fully and yet not yet known to ourselves. Every step that we take, every word that we express, every movement that we make, every choice, every aspect that we might describe as a quality of ourselves. And we have just this moment, and we have this moment. And silence opens up that moment, taking us beyond the time and beyond the space that we choose to act within as a construct that gives us security, and fashions for us and within us a security that goes beyond time and space, and lets us use time and space to play with, to celebrate life. There's a Carmelite mystic, Teresa of Avila, who says so well that the realized soul plays with the universe like a child plays with a ball. And we enter into that play without the reservations, the doubts, the uncertainties, the lingering self-consciousness that do nothing more than hold us back from penetrating those layers. And so in that invitation and in that celebration, because it's so awesome to be with you, I just moved to Boulder.
Well,
I'm with you. I end with these words as well. Another penetration, another supper to renew our love. Our feet will never pass this way again, my love. Your scent intoxicates, pulls and pushes my surrender through marshes and explosive skies, where shafts of unencumbered light lay the land low. Breathing breath dissolves height and depth. Breathed again and breathed again, our hearts will never pass this way again, my love.
Yeah.